How are you all? So in today's video I'm going to share a recipe, a smoothie recipe. It's a summertime, so you can enjoy with your parents and family. So always ask your parents to help you in kitchen. So make sure you take their advice and ask for help to making the recipe, and or you can share the recipe to your parents so they can make for you and you just simply enjoy. So I'm going to share a ingredient. It's a very simple and few ingredients, so it's make easy for you to make it fast. So I have a milk here, and I have a Nutella, then I have a peanut butter, then I'm going to take banana. So here I have a frozen banana because we are making smoothie, so it's better to have some icy texture in the smoothie. So I did frozen this. This is like 2 bananas. So let's start making it. Here I have a mixture. And I'm going to make in this small cup. First I'm going to take a Nutella. I love Nutella and I hope you also like Nutella a lot. So I'm going to take 1 and 2 spoons of Nutella. If you like more, you can add 1 more spoon. So here I add the Nutella. Now I'm going to add peanut butter. Here I have a packed peanut butter. So I'm going to add 1 and 2 tablespoons of Nutella. Peanut butter. Then I'm going to add this frozen banana. So this is adding bananas. This is very healthy. All flavors are very healthy and it give you a nice flavor as well. And here I have a cup, so I'm going to take about 100 ml of milk, and I guess a little more. And just close it very well. Make sure you close nicely so it doesn't come out. And to make sure you take out this and make sure you shake it in between and then do it one more time. going to take a glass and you can just have the smoothie, and if you like more Nutella you can add more Nutella in it. And that's it, a easy simple smoothie recipe. You enjoy.